Hi there. Today we're starting our first lesson of Level 1 OG, which is compound words. First thing up is the visual drill. Eyes here. Make sure everyone's calm, ready to learn, sitting straight up, watching the screen. Ready, set, go. T, z, o, z, j, b, y, x, w, a, sh, n, w, m, I, a, w, z, and g, ch, d. Okay, now it's time for the auditory drill. Go ahead and get the sand out and ready to go. I will get my computer pen and see how this works. All right. So the sound is and and all right, she should have TH says and okay, so for the next one, there are two ways to make this sound. So you're drawing a line down the middle of your screen. I'm not erasing because when I erase, the pen gets messed up. So um, two ways to make this sound. Did you have C says K says K? If you did, then you got it. All right, the sound is uh. U says Two ways to make this sound. So we're draw your line. Almost forgot. The sound is w. W. W says w. WH says w. And the last one, the sound is ah. Ah. A says ah. Okay, you can take a few seconds to play in the sand like we always do. You can pause the video if you want. And in about 3 minutes, clean up the sand, and we're on to our blending drill. So we're saying each of the sounds, segmenting and blending. Oh, have to get my trusty friend here. Remember, you're thinking about whether it's a real word or an alien word. Okay. A, t, hat, real word. M, a, t, mat, real word. M, e, t, met, real word. Z, sorry guys. E, t, zet, alien word. Z, a, t, zot, alien word. Z, a, b, zob, alien word. Oh, this is an interesting one. Qu, Sorry guys, I just woke up. Usually cough in the morning. Qua, ah, ba, quab. Alien word. Ul, ah, ba. Lob. That's a real word. When you throw a ball kind of slow and kind of arch it, you say you lob the ball. Ul, ah, ba. Lub. Alien. Ul, I, ba. Lib. Actually, if you've heard of Mad Libs, that would be a real word. It's a fun little game where you fill in random words and it makes a story, but it makes a silly story. So I'm going to say real word for that one. Ul, I, d. Lid. Real word. Ha, I, d. Hid. Real word. Ch, I, d. Chid. Alien word. Ch, I, n. Chin. Real word. Good work. All right, time for a brain break. 5-star jumps if you'd like. Get ready, get set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. In your seat. Eyes here. 3, 2, 1. You guys know the routine. Get a chance to get ready. Sitting back up, and you get a star. Alrighty, vowel intensive. So go ahead and get out your vowel sticks. If you need to pause, you can to get them. And we will get started. All right, the sound is eh, eh, eh. E says eh. The sound is uh. U says The sound is eh, eh. E says eh. I'm going to not give you guys the visual cues for these because I want to really see if you can hear them now. The sound is ah, ah. O says ah. The sound is I, I. I says I. The sound is eh, eh. E says eh. The sound is uh. U says The sound is ah, ah. A says ah. The sound is I, I. I says I. Good job. Now we're moving on to syllables. The syllable is un, un. U says The syllable is an, an. A says ah. The syllable is on, on. O says ah. The syllable is cat, cat. A says ah. The syllable is ket, ket. E says eh. The syllable is kit, kit. I says if. The syllable is cut, cut. U says The syllable is cag, cag. A says ah. Good work. Okay, here's our new concept, compound words. And I know before break, some of you may have seen this a little bit. We did a little preview. Big words can be easy to read. Some words, called compound words, can be broken up into two smaller words that you can already read. Let's take a look. Let's take this word apart. So we're going to segment and blend the first part. Can. Segment and blend the second part. Not. Cannot. I cannot swim yet. Let's take this word apart. Sun. Set. Sunset. I can see the sunset. Let's take this word apart. Pig. Pig. Pen. Pig pen. My room looks like a pig pen. Let's look at some of these words that are compound words. First one, we have toothbrush, bathtub, football, cupcake, and starfish. All right, we're going to stop right here with the story, and I'll start the next video right up with the story.